Ew, it's cold out here. Yeah. Yeah. It's fall. I don't know what to tell you. Yuck City. I'm about 15 days away there. Extended fall / winter, whatever it will be in Vegas. And I know I just had an alert on my phone go off. Let me see what it is. It is about, I think it's about one of those who's got something going. So yeah, Prime Driven Daily. As giveaway number 25 is alive. That will be a Bug-Eye WRX. So if you're interested, definitely scoot your way over and try to win yourself a Bug-Eye if you like them. You know what? I never mentioned. Is that a 04? Is it Bug-Eye 04 or 03? I know one of them is like a sought after WRX. I don't know. I know a little bit about WRX STIs, but I don't know which one is like the super rare one. I know B22 is like that extra sauce. Like, hey, that's that. If I'm not mistaken, that's like almost like a Spirit R money right now. The thing's going for like almost 6 figures, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. Like the B22, is that Impreza? What is it? The 2-door joints, man. I would love one. I only own those cars in video games like Forza and Gran Turismo and stuff of that nature. And it's weird when y'all be like, that's real first world, like I can afford it type activities. When people be making fun of people for owning like droids instead of iPhones, or if you have an Xbox versus a PlayStation 5, that's like the privilege wars, like right there. Like you I own something. Even if you own like a regular, the first Nintendo, hey, there's places that you can't even get that stuff, that sauce right there and stuff, you know. So I don't know, man. The privilege wars be killing me. If you playing like Xbox Live, man, kind of privilege. But like I said, man, never compare and talk about areas, things you don't know about. Like I never say anything to anybody about that. I'm privileged or happy to drive vehicles. It could be better anywhere you go, but fact of making fun of somebody for not having, that's when you know the world has changed, man. Like I remember that it was on another scale, you know, when kids were kids and stuff like that, and they did that to someone who didn't have like cool sneakers or something like that. But this is different, man. Let me go over here. I'm going to Cedric today. We'll see how it sounds if the belt's better. I'll holla at y'all. Boy, nipples off. Before I get over there, I was gonna like, I don't know. I noticed one thing about this car though. Besides the fact when I bought this car, the wheels were, the factories are certainly whooped. I noticed that when it gets cold, those things in here start vibrating. Like really vibrating. Like, you hear that? I think it's in my glove box. Might be in my glove box. I don't know. Like I say, I can't wait to get rid of this cold. I like heat. I'd rather take my clothes off than put a bunch on. Especially when somebody mama around. But let us see my muscles I've been working on. Oh, I'm shooting it. That was a gap I wanted. Bro, you cut. Oh, that was Joel. And the Honda Accord, huh? You want stepped up. So you hear that? Let me just check something out real quick. This metal hitting that. I know it's coming from that glove box. It's probably a reminder that I need to change that air cabin filter, which I did order recently. Now it's just getting to the point where it's telling me to do it now. I should just order a bunch of those and have them on standby, because they're getting more expensive as the days continue. Like, since this is an old model, I don't know if they carry the same air cabin filters in like newer Lexuses, but I think when I initially bought my other air cabin filter, it was like $28. Now it's up to $36 for an AC filter, man. I was like, God, come on, man. But yeah, today was supposed to be just a chill out day. I didn't really have any cool footage for y'all. That's annoying. They out here doing pumpkins and stuff, man. I wish I was festive like that. I'll dress up for Halloween, but I ain't carving no pumpkins. That's like not doing it. I'll take the pumpkin seed. If y'all making pumpkin seeds this year, y'all putting the sauce on them, just let me know. I'll take some pumpkin seeds from y'all. Like, you know, hit me up. I'll take those, but when I get out, this is gonna annoy me. I'm gonna park. I'm gonna take. Do I have my pocket? Yeah, I do. So, pretty sure all these GoPro angles are boofed, but it is what it is. Lock this. Go over here and see if this Cedric is making weird noises today. Could be wrong. Oh well. Let's see. I still got bugs in the front. Yes, I do. All right. Ooh, and I got the bugs on the windshield. I forgot to take off last time. But here's of me with that obnoxious. Did you survive that whole time, my G? Mosquito flew out of the car when I opened it. You a cold piece of work, man. You took off. Over there and let it sit so it cools down so they can listen to it. Let's see if it does it again. Let's see. Nope, not that time. That was the initial startup, so I'm not sure if it's after it's set for a little bit. I'll check again this weekend. I need to really learn my, other than, what do they call it, Imperial? What we got? I gotta learn more of the international ways of, no sir. We're not doing AC. We need heat in this joint. Cause what she just tell me, what's the temp in this mug? Is it 12? 12? Yeah. So we're not doing that. All right. Yeah, we'll see. No. What's that? Bam, right there. Why you going AC though? What's up with the AC? I'm gonna chop some of that up because there's no need in letting you watch me kill myself trying to learn Japanese on the fly. I should really, honestly, I'm being lazy. I should just learn all these symbols and what's heat, what's AC. Boy, I tell you, I'll be lazy. Oh, not this. Oh, I wonder if I might have to clip all that because I think they had Cali is active in the background, so I might have to clip most of that stuff I even had going on. So we might have to clip that. What I was doing, if I do have to clip it because Cali is active was playing in the background, I keep forgetting copyright. I should know by now. I've been hit like, how many times I've been hit with copyright? Probably like 5-6 times, and I had to like readjust all the audio and stuff, so I should know better. But I'll get this thing on the road and I'll get everything worked out and we'll see where it goes from here. But yeah, I'll hit you on the ride. Maybe I'll stop somewhere and take some video of this thing while I'm going. Plus the afros out here. I don't know what they're doing. I think they're playing like LARP, live action role playing.